Ethel, before anything else, nagkakaroon tayo na kasama natin na si Nanay Linda, ang isang ating dakilang labandera. Meron tayong Miss Universe Labandera Edition 2017. So Ethel, it is your turn to do the question and answer portion. Are you ready?
Okay.
Ethel, shall we step
Very
forward?
exciting! Very exciting!
Ethel, what is your greatest achievement as a woman?
My greatest achievement, ano ba yun? Nagahang yung bilang.
Oh, Tagalog.
Tagalog. Ang maging, ano ba? Pa-translate nga kay Maxine.
Ay. Sa kanya ka pa talagang translate, Miss Universe.
Oo, para nung maging mabuting anak ako at mga kapatid.
The time when she...
Hindi, walang time. Ano lang siya.
Okay, Ethel, we have to say goodbye to you and Sammy for now, but may I request later for your presence, we need more of your mind.
Of course.
Your intellect. Okay, so Ethel, Sammy, pwede na kayo umupo. Maraming salamat.